Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is to go to the start menu. So from the start menu, you will be able to uninstall the software. So from here, I'm just going to apps and features, or you can simply go to the settings and then search for apps and features, etc. So we can either go from here and we go to apps and basically we go to apps and features, etc. Or you can simply just tap apps in the feature and it will take you directly to this page. So now from here, you will be able to search for the Microsoft 365. And as you can see, I can already find like these three options. So since I'm using like the Microsoft 365 apps for Enterprise Edition, that means I have this launcher or this wrapper here. And basically, to uninstall, you will be needing to simply click on uninstall. So as you can see, I'm just going to click on uninstall, and from there, you will be needing just to click on yes. By clicking on yes, it will like start the process of deleting uh, Microsoft. So if we click uninstall, it will start like the process. And as you can see, we will remove the programs in the file you requested from your computer. That means it will delete all the associated Microsoft apps that you have on your computer. It will include Microsoft Teams, Word, Excel, the presentation, that means PowerPoint, and all the other Microsoft that has been installed from the Microsoft 365 apps. So basically, we just proceed by clicking on install, uninstall, and that will uninstall all your apps. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.